Hello everybody, my name is Naslin and I'm so happy to be here one more day. Today I'm gonna show you how I'm drying my hair. The first thing I like to do is to brush my hair. Usually I'm starting from the half from my hair to the top. And I like to use this hair brush from a Tangle Teaser brand. This is very nice brush. I love it. This is special for wet or damp hair. After that, I like to use this spray, the Keratin Smooth Husk Spray. This is very important. This step is very important because we need to protect our hair from the heat. I like to brush my hair after to put the spray because I need to make sure the spray is going all over my hair. Today I'm using the Dyson Nural hair dryer. This is the best hair dryer in this world, to be honest. I like to start from the top to the end, and I don't like to put very close to my hair. That is very important thing when you are drying your hair. Please don't put very close your hair dryer, okay? Guys, I'm so happy because this is my first time doing this video in English, you know. I hope people like it. I hope you're happy to be here, and I'm sorry if I'm making mistakes, but you know, this is my second language. I'm still learning because English is not very easy, and well, I'm so happy every day I'm learning. Sometimes I like to use my hands or my fingers or just the brush, but I think most of the time I like to use my hands, my fingers, before we need to make sure our hands are clean. And you can see now I'm using my brush. I love this hair dryer because I can see my hair is still shiny, my hair is still strong, and I think this hair dryer is not very, you know, is not very hot hair dryer. I don't know how can I say that, but I love it because my hair is still shiny, is still growing, is still feeling soft, smooth, so I love it. And you can see my hairbrush is without any hair, and that is very important to see. Sometimes I take in 15-20 minutes to do this, but no more than that. If my hair is still a little bit damp, continue to use my hair dryer, sorry. When I was doing this video, I was almost going to bed, so I don't like to go to bed with my hair damp or wet. I hate that, so I need to make sure my hair is very, very dry. And I like to do this all the time because sometimes in the end of the hair is still damp or wet. And this is my other hair brush. This is especially for dry hair. I like to use this one when my hair is completely dry. And after that, I like to brush my hair again. Almost finished, promise. And you can see my hair is still shiny. And this is my real color, and this is my real hair. This is my hair. If you want me to show you my routine, just please let me know and we can do that. This is all for today. This is my hair. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.